How does the JavaScript call stack help debugging? Imagine trying to find your way through a maze without a map. That's what debugging can feel like without understanding the JavaScript call stack. The call stack is like a list of all the functions your code is running, stacked one on top of the other. When you call a function in JavaScript, it gets added to the top of this stack. When that function finishes, it's removed from the stack. This process keeps track of where your program is at any moment. When an error pops up, the call stack shows you exactly how your code got there. It's like a trail of breadcrumbs that leads you back to the source of the problem. If a function called another function, which then caused an error, the call stack will list all those functions in order. The top of the stack shows the current function running, and below it are the functions that called it. This helps you see the path your code took to reach that point. Using debugging tools built into browsers or your development environment makes this even easier. These tools display the call stack visually, so you can see which functions are active. You can click on any function in the list to jump directly to its source code. This makes it simple to understand what your code was doing step by step. You can also pause execution at any point with breakpoints, then step through each line to watch how variables and states change. This is especially helpful in complex web applications where functions call each other often, or when dealing with asynchronous code that runs in the background. The call stack helps you see the order of execution and find where things went wrong. It helps you quickly locate the exact line where an error happened, saving you time and frustration. Knowing how the call stack works means you can better understand error messages. For example, if you see a reference error, the call stack will tell you which function was running when the error occurred. It also helps you understand how different parts of your code interact during runtime. With this knowledge, you can use debugging tools more effectively, like stepping into functions, stepping over them, or running to a specific point. In short, the JavaScript call stack is a key part of debugging because it shows the sequence of function calls that led to an error. It helps you trace back through your code to find the root cause of issues. By mastering how to read and use the call stack, you can become much better at fixing bugs and understanding your code's behavior. This makes debugging faster, easier, and less stressful.